Girl, what you doing? Making me seem like a chump sending you what I sent you. Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what a subscriber sent me in a mystery box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Oh my goodness. Would you look at the size of this box? It's huge. First off, I want to acknowledge my subscriber. Her name is Tiffany. She has her own channel called Tiffany's Mysteries. I've given her a few shout outs. She's given me a shout out. We decided a month or so ago to do a little kind of collab where we would send each other a mystery box of products that we've received but don't use or enjoy, and then see if the other person would like them. I'm going to list up above the unboxing video she did for the items I sent her, and now it's my turn to unbox what she sent me. I can't wait to get into this. This is huge. First things first, this is amazing. Look how cute she wrapped it. And I know mine was a box with a lot of stuff, but it was just all the stuff was wrapped. I did put a card, but look, it's all wrapped. Thank you, Tiffany. That is so sweet. It's too pretty. I don't want to see if I can undo your knot, because if it wasn't from you or a gift, I just grabbed scissors to get into something, but it's beautiful and I want to save it. So give me 10 minutes to undo the knot. Okay, well, it only took a few seconds. Everything in this beautiful bag is also wrapped. Okay. So excited. By the way, if you aren't already aware of Tiffany's Mysteries channel is similar-ish in content. She does a lot of mystery unboxings as well as some new subscriptions to Ipsy, BoxyCharm, and a few others. It would mean the world to me if you would go check out her channel, subscribe, help her grow, leave a comment, and let her know that Wygo Warrior sent you. All right, let's dive in and see what the first item is. Shut up. It's something from It Cosmetics. What is this? Confidence in a Cream. Ooh, Tiffany. Yes, you know I love the skincare. And I don't think I ever told you, but I love stuff from It Cosmetics. In fact, today is September the 11th, and I made 2 purchases from the Ulta 21 Days of Purchase, which were It Cosmetics related items. Yes, and this packet, this is heavy. Thank you, Tiffany. All right, I'm gonna try not to gush after every product, because this video will be 3 hours long. Wow, the next item had actually 3 products. We have, oh my God. Also from It Cosmetics, the Bye Bye Under Eye. And then from Too Faced, wow, Smoke Show Kajal. Yes, eyeliner. Also from It Cosmetics, this is Vitality Lip Flush in the shade Naturally Pretty. Well, thank you, Tiffany. I know I am. Oh my goodness. And it is Wygo Warrior color approved. Ooh, a lovely sweet vanilla scent. Oh, yes. Yes, you know how I do. Even though I have 15 products already on my face, we're going to give this one a try. It's so good, it matches kind of what I was already wearing. I love it. Now I feel like I need to send her another bag because my stuff was good, but dang, this is really good. All right, what else did she send me? It Cosmetics? What? my God. Confidence in an eye cream. Yes. All right. This is squishy squeezy. Oh, it must be fancy. There's bubble wrap. What is this? It's from a brand I'm not familiar with called Dermadeli, and it's a citrus gold oil. Ooh, I'll have to read up and figure out how best to use that. All right, next item. We have from Laura Geller, a High Def Glow Illuminator Duo. Ooh, look how pretty. Holy crap, I haven't even put a dent into this bag. I saw the word Tarte. I saw the word skincare. What is this? Maracuja C Tighter. High Performance Naturals. Tarte Skincare. What is it? Doesn't matter. It's from Tarte. It's for the skin. And it's a gift. I love it. Oh my goodness. So fancy. All right. I'm going to look up what that is. I'm super excited. Is it a night cream? Is it C Tighter Vitamin C Day Cream? All right. I will list on the screen once I figure that out. Oh my God. We got ABH, Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation. Girl, what you doing? Making me seem like a chump sending you what I sent you. Ooh. Yes. Stick Foundation and/or contour. Speechless. All right. Another product from Tarte. This is the Be a Mermaid and Make Waves eyeshadow palette. Girl. Please tell me you hit up an awesome sale at TJ Maxx or scored the best ever Ipsy BoxyCharm pop-up sale. Because this stuff is... OMG. That is beautiful. It's like a little shell with iridescent green and... I don't even care what the colors on the inside look like. This packaging... It's hefty too. It's like metal. And if she knows me, she knows the colors I like. If I could just figure out. Oh, there we go. Oh, how pretty. There's a mirror. Oh my goodness. And they look like little waves or scales on a mermaid. That is beautiful and gorgeous. Stop, Tiffany. No, I need to send you something else because my stuff wasn't. This is so good. All right. There's more items in here. Did I mention every single item is beautifully wrapped in pastel tissue paper? Oh my God, another eyeshadow palette. This is from Real Her. It's the Dream So Big. Yes. Wygo Warrior. Neutrals approved. Loving it. We have from Wonder Beauty the Dust Till Dawn blush and highlighter. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Shut up. Something else from ABH. What is this? It's a powder bronzer. Oof. Beautiful packaging. Yes. All right. Let's do a little swatch of this. I hope it's not too dark, but if it is, be a beautiful eyeshadow. No, I think it's going to be excellent color. Girl. All right. Last item. And is big. What is this? We got some MacGyvering. If there's like 17 other things in here, stop. What is this? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And that's actually like what the fonts I use. Girl, how did you... it's like a makeup like brush holder that she had that says Waigo Warrior. Oh my goodness. I love it. How did you know what? I don't even know what font I used. That is so sweet, so thoughtful, so useful, and my favorite color is black. Oh my goodness. And you know what? I could probably set this back there when I do my videos. Girl, oh. All right, I'm sorry. This is my mind is blown. Oh. Everyone, please go out to Tiffany's Mysteries. Drop her a comment, a line. You can check out the video of her unboxing what I sent her, and then you'll easily be like, girl, you got way better than you get. Oh my goodness. And yeah, please support her. Last I checked, she's just over 50 subscribers. Let's get her to 100. There was a card. Thank you. And a little piece of paper. What's this all about? Read after box opening. Well. Oh. Says the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick is actually for contouring. She knows how I love to try and contour with contour sticks. Yes. And the It Cosmetic concealer is because she know I'm on the hunt for the perfect under eye concealer. Thank you. And no, I don't have that one. I haven't tried it. Fingers crossed. It's my new holy grail. Thank you so much, Tiffany. Oh my goodness. I am literally blown away. I want to ask all of my subscribers, please go check out my girl, Tiffany. Her channel is very small, but her editing and content is spectacular. Someday I hope to achieve what she has done. So yeah, it would mean the world to me if you would go subscribe or at least watch some of her videos, leave a comment, and let her know that Waigo Warrior sent you. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all in advance for going out and supporting my girl, Tiffany. Leave me a comment. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would love for you to subscribe as well. Click the bell icon, hit the thumbs up, the yada yada. You know the drill. All right. Thanks, everyone.